Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another exciting edition of Nanabe's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Today on the menu, I am bringing to you the most scrumptious, most comforting chicken fried steak. And you'll need a mullet or the base of a small heavy saucepan to tenderize the steak, and do that on both sides. Tenderizing the steak means that your steak is going to be juicier and it will cook a lot faster too. So chicken fried steak is all about a juicy piece of steak, fried like chicken. Yes, so it's dredged in a coating that becomes crunchy and totally delicious. That's what we're going for today. So without further ado, let's talk about the ingredients really quickly. So our main ingredient is this tenderized, thin, bottom round steak. We have some all-purpose flour. This here is some gluten-free crackers, which you can substitute with saltine crackers. You just want that crunch. So anything you like to get you that crunch, you can even use corn flakes. And I have 2 eggs. And then here is some all-purpose seasoning, which you can substitute with chicken bouillon or beef bouillon. I also have some kosher salt, some crushed black pepper, and I also have whole milk. That's it for the chicken fried steak ingredients. We cannot serve our chicken fried steak without a gravy. So here are my ingredients for the gravy. I have some homemade chicken broth. I also have an optional red pepper flakes. I like heat in my food, so a little sprinkle of this will go a long way. I am also going to flavor everything up with this beef sausage. You can use kielbasa or any sausage of your choice. I absolutely have to have that in there. I also have some corn starch to thicken my gravy. You can use all-purpose flour in place of this. When I am done cooking my chicken fried steak, I am going to have some roux already formed in the skillet. This is just going to help bring everything together. All right? Now I also have some heavy whipping cream, which is going to make it all really luscious and absolutely decadent. Then I'm going to be also introducing some sweetness in there with this onion. This is shallot onion, but you can use any onion at all of your choice. And of course, I'm going to garnish and make everything look presentable and pretty with these parsley leaves. Let's begin cooking, friends. Next step, beautiful people, is set up our breading station. We're going to be dredging our tenderized steak to get that beautiful crunchy outer layer. Let's begin first with the flour mixture. Crushed black pepper, a little bit of salt, all-purpose seasoning. Now whisk to combine all the ingredients evenly, and your first breading station is ready. Next in line is our egg and milk mixture. Add the milk. A pinch of crushed black pepper. You want to season every layer. Very important. And a pinch of salt. Whisk together. Last layer is our crushed crackers. Spread it out. And this is the consistency we want to get that perfect crunch. Always shake off the excess. Now I'm going to prep the ingredients I need to make my gravy. Okay, my beautiful people, so here is where all the fun begins, because we are done with the prepping phase of our ingredients. It is time to cook some chicken fried steak and fill this house with that inviting aroma. Can't wait. I'm going to gently lower these in away from me, okay? Because we want to be safe in the kitchen while having fun. And last piece of steak also cooked to perfection, all golden brown evenly throughout. Now we're going to make our gravy. You can see roux. Roux is what you see on the base of this skillet. So I've poured out all of the oil and left some of the browned flour that fell off of the chicken fried steak as we cooked it. That's going to contribute in thickening our gravy in the end. And to cook the gravy, begin by first cooking the sausage, which has been chopped finely. Cook that until it's brown, and then add your thinly sliced shallot onions. Cook that also until it's translucent. That should take about 3 to 4 minutes. And then add your chili flakes, which is an optional ingredient if you like the kick. Now I am also creating my slurry, which is the combination of the cornstarch and the chicken broth. Now let me mention that the cornstarch is totally optional. You do not need it in here. However, I am looking for a very thick gravy, okay? And so that's why I'm using that. It should immediately thicken the sauce and have a gloss, a shine, a translucency to it as well, just like so. Now you do not need to season at all because there is salt in the sausage. Just now added the heavy whipping cream, which is really what essentially makes the cornstarch an optional ingredient, because that in itself should be able to thicken the sauce fairly, okay? So stir that in as well. Taste for salt, and then add your crushed black pepper. Not an optional step, that is necessary at this stage of the cooking, because that's going to give it a unique taste and kick. Also garnish with your parsley. That is optional. Stir that in, and that is going to brighten the rich flavors in the end. We are done cooking our gravy, and we're going to now pour it into our serving vessel. We are done, friends and family. It is very delicious. And I hope that you try this recipe. Your family is going to love it. Yes, friends and family, my family go bananas when I make this dish. It's a typical American plate of comfort. I am serving it today with some buttery mashed potatoes and some stir-fried green string beans. I blanched in a heavily seasoned boiling water, and then I gave it a brief toss in some olive oil, crushed black pepper, salt, and some garlic. And now we're serving. Mashed potatoes on the plate, chicken fried steak, pouring your gravy onto it, mouth-watering already. And add your vegetable of choice and dig in. Chicken fried steak, perfectly cooked. Medium well, just the way we love it. That bite was heaven, friends and family. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also share the video and spread the good word about Nanaba's Kitchen, y'all. Thank you so much. Well, beautiful people, thank you so much for sticking with me until service time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, because you can tell Sister Madame is still trying to bring you some comfort food, because I know you deserve it. Now, it is tough time, so I'm going to take off, but I will be seeing you pretty soon on my next one. Make it a great day, friends and family, and have fun, especially in that kitchen. It is chop time.